Hello students, today what we are going to see is chapter 10, that is circle. You must have seen many geometrical shapes around you like triangle, square, rectangle. All these are plane figures and made up of line segments joined end to end to form a closed figure. Today we will see another geometrical shape called circle. Now let us observe the shapes of a wheel, clock, bangle or a slice of orange. What shape is coming out in common? Yes, a circular shape. You already know that a circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. This fixed distance is called the radius and fixed point is known as center of the circle. Now let us see some historical facts about circle and also understand some terms related to it. Greeks were very advanced in geometry. They observed some hoop or a ring-like shapes in the moon and sun, etc. They called it as circus in their language, which means a ring. With time, the circus word got changed to circle. Now let us refresh terms related to circle. So what is circle? We already know a circle is the set of all points in a plane at a constant distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. In other words, center is the point that is equally distant from every point on a circumference of a circle. It is always fixed for a given circle. Also, that fixed distance or a constant distance is the radius of the circle. That means radius is the line segment joining the center at any point on a circumference of the circle. Radius is used in two senses. One, in the sense of a line segment, and second, in the sense of its length. Circumference, the length of the complete circle, is called its circumference. In other words, it can be viewed as a boundary of the circle. Chord, a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle, is called a chord of the circle. Diameter, the chord which passes through the center of the circle, is called a diameter of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord. Also, it is 2 times the radius. Next, we will see secant. It is a line that cuts the circle in 2 points. Now remember that a chord is a line segment and is always inside the circle, while secant is a line and goes outside the circle. Arc, a part of a circle between 2 points on a circumference of the circle, is called an arc. Segment, the region between a chord and one of the arcs, is called segment of the circle. Sector, the region or the area enclosed between one of the arcs along with the 2 radii is called the sector. So in other words, we can say that the area between 2 radii is called a sector. So we have already seen what is circle, what is center, radius, circumference, chord, diameter, etc. Have you ever visualized a circle through polygons? Don't worry, we'll see it in our next video. We will also learn about a new concept of tangents in our next video.